Now we shall see to the illustrations explained here in page number 2.45. In the first illustration, a shopkeeper sells only 2 brands of notebooks. It is observed that when the price of one rises by 10%, the demand for the other increases by 15%. What is the cross price elasticity for the second one against the price of the first one? As we know, the formula EC is equal to percentage of quantity demanded of good X divided by percentage of change in price of the next good. Now, because the second product increases by 15%, EC is equal to 15% divided by the price change, that is 10%, that is 1.5. That shows that they both are very closely substitute one for the another. If not this, people tend to buy the other product. Illustration number 8. The cross price elasticity between two products X and Y is given as 0.8. If the price of the good Y rises by 20%, how will the demand for X change? Now substituting the values for the formula, 0.8 is equal to unknown value, that is we do not know the change in demand, divided by 20%. Therefore X is equal to 20% into 0.8, which is negative, that is minus 16%. So here, since cross elasticity is negative, that means they both are complementary. One affects the demand for the other also. In illustration number 9, we again have the other tea and coffee examples shown. That shows that they both are substitute, and again illustration 10 shows that they are complementary. So with these examples you can understand the cross elasticity behavior. The last one is advertisement elasticity. What is meant by advertisement elasticity? It is nothing but the responsiveness of the quantity demanded due to change in the amount spent on advertisement by the firm for the same product. I shall explain it still clearly. When the firm spends a little more on the advertisement, the demand for the product will be again little more. So these two are compared together to find out the elasticity because of the advertisement. So effectiveness of advertisement is understood by the comparison of these two. This is, if it is typically positive, then the increase in the value of advertisement shows a greater response of elasticity of demand. So EA, which refers elasticity of advertisement, usually varies between 0 and infinitive. The formula goes like this: change in the quantity, percentage of change in the quantity demanded divided by change in spending on advertisement. Therefore, as I already told you, delta QD denotes the increase in demand, delta A denotes increase in advertisement expenditure, QD original demand, A original expenditure. So EA is equal to delta D divided by delta QD divided by QD, both together divided by delta A divided by A. Now if elasticity of advertisement is equal to 0, what is the interpretation? That means the demand does not respond to any increase in the advertisement expenditure. If EA is greater than 0 but less than 1, that means increase in the demand is less proportionate to the increase in expenditure of advertisement. If EA is equal to 1, that means demand is equally increasing to the same proportion of the expenditure increase in the advertisement campaign. If EA is greater than 1, demand increases at a higher rate than the expenditure incurred in advertisement. So the business firm is concerned in measuring the advertisement elasticity to understand the effectiveness of the advertisement campaign and also to make the optimum use of the advertisement expenditure. Thank you, children. With this, we have finished theory of demand and supply. Let me meet you again with the unit 2, theory of consumer behavior. Thank you.